Wow! Look at this massive harvest! Fresh bamboo shoots plunging into the wash.
Cleaned up and steaming hot. The process moves fast. It all starts here, deep in the misty bamboo forest. Pure nature.
Digging them up fresh. Look at the size of that shoot.
The harvest is massive today. Tallying up the hard work. Load them up, straight from the forest to the processing plant. Down the chute they go. Time to get these dirty shoots cleaned up. Look at that mud. Heavy-duty washing is about to begin. High-pressure wash, blasting away the dirt in seconds.
Just look at the scale of this operation. Absolute perfection.
Scrubbed spotless. We don't miss a single spot. Flowing like a river. Sorting them out for peeling. Lined up perfectly, ready to shed those tough layers. Into the slicer. Precision engineering at work. Miles and miles of bamboo. Now watch the magic happen. Rip. Tear. The tough skin is peeled completely off by these rollers. Out goes the waste. Only the tender heart of the bamboo remains. A final rinse for the peeled beauties. They look perfect. Squeaky clean and moving down the main line. Tumbling down to the inspection belt. Quality check is next.
Every single piece gets a visual check. Only the best pass through.
Into the steam tunnel. Cooking them to perfection. Steaming hot. Now it's time for the slicer to do its job.
Chop, chop, chop. Perfectly uniform slices every single time.
Straight into the boiling vat. Cooking out the bitterness.
Boiling hot. It takes immense heat to get these just right. Look at this massive boiling system. Thousands of pounds processed an hour.
Out of the fire and into the ice bath. Shock cooling locks in the crunch. Cooled down and drained. Perfectly cooked golden shoots. Hitting a constant 95 degrees Celsius. Total sterilization.
Look at that boil! It's bubbling like a volcano!
A massive team ensuring every batch meets the highest standards.
Scooping them out, golden and tender. So appetizing.
Steaming golden cones heading down the drying line. A gentle tumble over the cooling vents, letting off that steam.
Checking temperatures down to the decimal. Perfect 5 degrees. Flash chilled and ready to pack. They look so incredibly fresh.
Flowing into the packaging station. Look at that golden color. dropping straight into the pouch, filled to the exact weight.
A splash of brine to keep it preserved. Vacuum sealing is next.
Sucking out the air. Sealed tight for maximum freshness.
Stamping the dates. Traceability for every single package. Out of the sealer and into the stacking zone. These guys are fast.
A mountain of bamboo, ready to hit the global market.
Barcodes applied, tracking every box from factory to store. Boxing them up tight. These pallets are getting ready for transport. Automation working alongside humans. Fast, efficient, flawless.
The heavy lifting.
Robotic arms stacking pallets like playing with blocks.
Wrap it up, securing the pallets for their long journey ahead.
Loading up the freezer truck, keeping them chilled the whole ride.
Hitting the road, bringing the freshest bamboo straight to you.
Speeding across the highway. Delivery is on schedule.
Stored perfectly and finally, right on your supermarket shelf.
Boiled bamboo shoots, a product of Vietnam. Ready to cook.
Let's get cooking. These shoots are so versatile for any dish.
A quick rinse before they hit the pan, fresh and crisp.
Boil them lightly just to warm them up. Smells amazing.